Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review this Chinese wireless doorbell. Uh, Actually I'm not going to show unboxing video as you can find many videos in YouTube. So just we will go into a in-depth review of this camera. This is the receiver. So it works on both AC as well as DC. So I suggest you guys to let me just better to use it in DC power, as I found with AC it getting hot. So this is the receiver. This is the volume control button, and this is for selecting the tones. We have some up to 38 music tones, so we can set. But the thing is that as soon as we disconnect the power, it will reset, so again we need to reset it. And this button is for both LED light and music. If you turn off this switch, you will get only LED light, no music. So with the highest volume I am able to hear the sound from around 5 rooms away, from 5 rooms. And this is the speaker. Let me check. Let's see what we have. So this is what it looks from inside. So this is a speaker, and we have a spiral spring type antenna inside. So what else we have? I think this is normal spring antenna. Let us check what kind of circuit we have inside. It's a normal thing. This is for all the circuitries for AC power. So so that's why I told better to use DC power only instead of AC power. There is, from long time, these components may weird. So this is the receiver. Now let's check the transmitter. This is the transmitter. This is on off switch, and for this also we have USB power option and nothing else. We need to use sorry guys, we need these three AAA batteries, like this kind of AAA batteries. Let's see what's inside this. So this is from inside. See, as you guys can see, this diffuser, this frontal lens. Let me focus my camera. So as you can see, as you guys can see the pattern inside. So as I can see, the bottom side has more reflecting patterns. So on the top side we have only few, so we get better field of detection from bottom rather than from top. So this is this kind of lens. So and this is from inside. This is the PIR sensor. This is a 2-element type PIR sensor, and so it has 2 elements inside. We have quad element PIR sensor as well, and this is an status LED. Whenever it detects any motion, it will lit up, but not that much bright, just normal. And nothing else. from this side. Let's see the other end what we have. Okay, so this is from inside. As we can see, at transmitter side we have just PCB base antenna, not like a spring antenna. So what else we have? Sorry guys, my camera is unable to focus. Okay, so this is the PCB antenna, and a switch, analog switch, on off switch, micro USB port. There is one more switch over here, not sure for what this switch is for. See, there it is. We can find it was labeled as switch 2. Switch 1 is this, switch 2 is this. Not sure which for what this switch is for. If you guys know what this switch is for, please let me know in the comments. So let's put it back. I'm totally satisfied with this product. I am able to get a signal from this transmitter to receiver from 4 brick walls. So that's very awesome for this price. Getting signal from 4 brick walls is good thing. So even I tested it from 2 floors. I am able to get the signal from 2 floors as well. Okay guys, thank you so much. Hope this video will help you guys. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel.